Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap on the volume section, and just to unmute the ringtone volume you should swipe this dot to the right side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that this feature to use volume keys for media is turned off. Just to use your volume buttons to change the ringtone volume. And now by press your up volume button, you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also we got the third way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then just slide up here with your finger this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.